Welcome back to another new exciting video, guys. In this video I will show you how you can use Xiaomi MIMO V2 Pro or the Xiaomi MIMO V2 Omni with OpenClaw. This is completely a free setup. You don't have to pay anything for the API because currently these two models are available for free to use on OpenRouter. So here you see that on OpenRouter, this is the official post free to use in OpenClaw via the OpenRouter provider for the next week, and the date also they have mentioned. It is currently available for free to use until 25th March for 1 week. So please take the advantage and follow with me the full setup. You will understand step by step process. And if I show you here, you see I am currently using this model inside OpenClaw. This is the MIMO V2 Pro, and I have done some testing using this two model, means MIMO V2 Pro and MIMO V2 Omni, and these are actually great model because today I made another video. This was the video that you can use this two model instead of Cloud Opus and instead of Sonnet. So this model have the agentic capability. Here you see that this is their flagship foundation model with a 1 million context window and 1 trillion parameter, and developed optimized for agentic scenarios. And we all know that OpenClaw is a agentic capable tool. Okay, so this model actually great for the OpenClaw, and also you will receive the performance which is actually matching with the Opus 4.6 from this MIMO V2 Pro, which is really great. And also the pricing, if you see that after this free period, it will be $1 for the 1 million input token and $3 for the 1 million output token, which is very less than the Cloud Opus 4.6 pricing, right? So currently it is available for free to use till 25th March. So that's why let me show you the step by step process. First, make sure that you have the OpenClaw in your system. If you don't have, just go to this openclaw.ai, and after that scroll down below and you will find this documentation. Click on that and you will find this page, and here you see that Mac, Linux and Windows, there are different commands to install it. For Windows, just remember that you need to use the PowerShell. Just copy this command and paste it and press enter. It will be installed. Now one thing is that make sure you have the Node.js 20 plus installed inside your machine. Okay, I have already installed it, so that's why I will move to the second command, which is the run onboarding. Okay, now for this run onboarding, I have already run it in my machine. So what I can do, I can just close it, and the instance that I'm currently running, I can just close it. Okay, just close it. Okay, now I will copy this OpenClaw onboard and open one CMD. So after installing, this is the first step that you have to do. So just write OpenClaw onboard, and now what it will do, it will ask you some of the questions and for some of the permission and the configuration also. So it is asking me that I understand this is personal by default. Yes. Now onboarding mode, quick start or manual. Yes, quick start. And config handling, reset, and reset scope, full reset. Guys, one thing, if you are installing it for the first time, then you will not get this reset option. I have already done the setup, that's why it is asking me to do the setup from the scratch. So I am interested to do that from the scratch. Now here we can choose this open router from this option, but I will highly recommend you to go with the custom provider, because sometimes what happens, you know, that if you select this open router, then probably you will not find that two model in this provider. Okay, but if you do it through custom provider, then you will be sure that you will be able to use that model. Okay, so select this custom provider, and here we need to provide the base URL. How you can get that? I have given this MIMO V2 Pro this open router link in description. So just go there, you will find this page. Now scroll down below. Just scroll down, and and here you see that this is the option. And now go to this Open AI Python. Click on this tab. Okay, after that you will find, and here is the base URL. Or one thing you can do, you can copy it from description. There I will keep this base URL. Okay. So copy it up to this v1. Okay, now paste it. And how do you want to provide this API key? Paste API key. Now how you can get it? Simple, it is very simple. Here you see that create API key, and click on this, you will find this page, and here click on this create button, and here a pop-up will be appear, and give any name here. Okay, and after that click on this create, you will get your API key. Here you see I have already created my MIMO V2 Pro API key. Okay, now the thing is that let me open it. Now I need to provide the API key, so I have already copied my API key, so let me just provide that. Okay, this is my API key, press enter. So it is OpenAI compatible? Yes, OpenAI compatible. Model ID, give any model ID, not give any model ID. So actually it has one particular model ID. You can copy it from description. So this is the model ID, Xiaomi MIMO V2 Pro. Copy it, okay. Copy from description and press enter. It is verifying, verification is successful, right? So in one go, the verification got successful. It is asking me for the model ID alias. So model alias, what I can give? I can give actually the same name here, Xiaomi MIMO V2 Pro, but instead of slash, what I can provide some hyphen. Press enter, configure custom provider. Asking for channel, so you can do that. I am skipping it for now. If I do all of this setup, then the video will be very lengthy, because the scope of this video is to show you how you can use it. Configure skill, no, and skip for now, yes. Gateway service already installed, restart, yes, restart, please restart it. Okay, so it is restarting the gateway service. Okay, okay, okay. So here you see that agent model, it is showing me this Xiaomi MIMO V2 Pro. This is the agent model. Okay, so if I go here, if I, okay, yes, here you see. Now I am inside this chat. Okay, now if I just write hi here, and press enter, and you will see that it will give me the response. And here you see, hi, so here is the deal. I just woke up, blank state, no idea who I'm yet, you too. Okay, so this is the mm, uh, response that I have got. And what I have selected here, here you see that Xiaomi MIMO V2 Pro from this drop down, right? So yes, in this way you can actually use this Xiaomi MIMO V2 Pro model inside OpenClaw, and till 25th March it is free. So just take the advantage. Okay. If you found this detailed explanation, step-by-step process helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.